If your cabbages are full of holes, growing too small, or maybe even refusing to head, perhaps you are challenged with some of the most common growing cabbage mistakes. Let's talk about it to find some solutions. Hi, I'm Annette and welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe, and giving the video a thumbs up and leaving a comment will help the channel to grow. Thank you, and let's get into cabbages. I've got a very beautiful cabbage head here. This is a green cabbage. I also have some purple cabbage growing. One reason why your cabbage may not be growing well is planting at the wrong time. Cabbages is a cool season crop and they love the cooler weather. So temperatures anywhere up in the 80s or above, they just do not do well. Or if it's really cold, say like 25 degrees or colder, they just don't do well. So planting at the right time is key in good head development and also a good harvest to come. Mistake number 2 is not hardening off your seedlings properly. Now cabbages, they do very well growing as transplants, but we got to make sure that we give them plenty of time to be hardened off to the outdoor conditions. If not, it will put them into shock and just really will stunt their growth. Mistake number 3 is overcrowding. Cabbages, they like plenty of room to grow. So if you do not give them their space, it's going to compete for nutrients, light, and airflow, and also they'll be more susceptible to diseases. Mistake number 4 is poor soil preparation. Just take time to make sure that you prepare the soil properly, that it's fertile, well draining, and that the pH is good. The pH is anywhere between 6 to 6.8 is fantastic, because without proper pH, our vegetables and crops cannot absorb the nutrients. Mistake number 5 is inconsistent watering. Now, cabbages, they need steady moisture. If you water too little, it's going to stunt the growth. But however, if you water too much, it's going to cause root rot and split the heads. Mistake number 6 is not doing crop rotation. Repeatedly planting cabbages or other brassicas in the same spot can cause soil-borne diseases and also pest buildup. Mistake number 7 is ignoring pest control. Some of the common pests for cabbages is the cabbage worms, aphids, and flea beetles. And if you get out there and do early detection and prevention and also treat it as soon as you see it, it's going to preserve your harvest. Mistake number 8 is not looking for plant diseases. Watch out for club root, black rot, and also downy mildew. If you see those on your plants, promptly remove those from your garden to prevent the spread to your other cabbages plants and also the rest of your garden. Mistake number 9 is not giving it proper feedings. Cabbages are heavy feeders, so therefore you will need to give it regular feedings, especially nitrogen, because if not, it can form small heads or maybe it won't even head at all. Mistake number 10 is not harvesting your cabbages properly. If you leave your cabbages in the garden too long, they can become bitter or they even can split their heads. Cabbage heads are ready to harvest when they're very firm to touch and they reach their desired size. So this cabbage head definitely is more than ready to harvest, and there are several ways you can do it. You can get a knife and just cut it here at the base, and if it's not too hot in your environment at that time when you harvest your cabbage, then the plant could grow a couple more small cabbage heads. But if it's getting too hot where you live, then just pulling the whole thing up out of the ground is another way that you can harvest your cabbage, and that's what I'm going to do with this one here. It's pretty heavy. Just pull it straight up. And it's very beautiful.